My name is Emedu Moses. I am a born of Mokura sub-county in Ngora district. Team leader, Kumel Zebra Group. Kumel Zebra Group has a group of 25 members. So, I have a message to tell all the Iteso who are there. Some they are in Buganda, Kampala, different places, and America, Canada, that let us come together and support the Akogo group, what we call to embrace our culture. Now, the intention of this group, we are preaching people the messages about, we are preaching about AIDS, and then some about this disease, Corona, with songs. So I ask you people to support Kumel Zebra Group with any assistance. If you could help us, I beg you. So we have presented 2 songs. One, the first song is the traditional song, is about how the Iteso was some time back, and where are we going now. That's why we are saying that let us embrace our culture, teach these smaller children, and they all those tribes that let us come together. Let me talk in Iteso. Eka kirori enyarta Emedu Moses alomunita ngomukura Kumel a group de nyarta Kumel Zebra Group in Otoma Ngora district. Abalango boni be aramango ikososine yare lo soditi ebale be e pone kolola ajata Iteso aja Iteso rastunga le boma kino morete eneri ibo ikino sa mora kino ne manyiti omina nara okoriete kere na pakina maseta juno nyameti diasulu ajokuka konye kwana alota kwa pabongore kwap nyame onibolo egitigita utoi aya otade kasine kwa panate cancer pressure dumundo jo boni be mamondo mutangale une jokuna yase balari boni be abongo si oipitene okolo Iteso lokau polo kebe buna ya ono angaleu oni kere buna arautongaleu ingalei yala masi eko solo yare kini le kosietite kosieta etungangun atomona kaidwe bala soboni be dueda ojasi to moinono ai siana kini dueda angaje pe oko na inono kede kosio kabole sine no inono e bale kosongoni be itwa somi koko ipese kede sapatada mera sekuni be sapata bon na resio mata kesi kere e pota na kini ja jokisi e ya unete mali e ya unete motoka e ya unete bela itabe ajoda e pure pona duko kini je bati lo iperi jo keje polobe ribor ne jokuna e tua somati doe yesi balar solo Kumel Zebra Group bonebe e atakisi keda abola sino kono inono e gara kesi so e dio pone kere buna yala mikin kedi kana chana kirlo jasuni kamere yala ma